So, you want to be a prop trader? Now all the prop traders will have to pass the Series 56, the Trader's Qualification Examination. Proprietary Trader's Qualification Examination, or Series 56, is designed to test a candidate's knowledge of applicable products, security markets, trading and reporting practices, investment strategies, and anti-fraud provisions as applicable to the role of a proprietary trader. The examination is composed of 100 multiple-choice questions. Equity Trading Capital is one of the leading companies which specializes in teaching active trading strategies to new and experienced traders, and is one of the first to release a study manual together with online courses for those of you who want to study and pass the new Series 56 exam. Now you can purchase the study manual and/or sign up today to attend an in-depth Series 56 seminar to prepare you for the exam. Equity Trading Capital offers on-site preparation classes in a state-of-the-art training floor in New York City, just one block from the New York Stock Exchange, or online through live interactive webinars. For more information to attend these classes, please visit us.